Google Flow Smooth Transition Tutorial. Click here on a new project. Then you need to do some settings. Click here where it says video. Then choose the video, choose the frames, choose the aspect ratio. I will choose 16:9. Then here you need to choose VO 3.1 fast or VO 3.1 light. Or if even better, choose a VO 3.1 quality. For the purpose of this video, I will choose VO 3.1 fast. Here you need to choose how many samples. I will choose one sample. And here you need to choose a starting frame. So click here on upload media to upload the image. First image, that will be the first frame. And also to upload the last image, it will be last frame. So now you need to upload image that will be the first and starting frame. Click here on upload media. Find the image that will be the first frame. This is the image. Give it a few seconds to upload that image here. In the meantime, you can also upload the last image that will be the last frame. Again, click here on upload media and then find the image that will be the last frame. Let's say this is the last frame. Give it a few seconds to upload both of these images on Google Flow. Okay, this will be my first frame, so I will click here on this image and this is my first frame. Click here on end and this will be my end frame. So here you can see I have first image and this will be my first frame and an image that will be my last frame. And here I need to give it a prompt. And here in the prompt, this is the prompt. Here you can see I gave some instructions to Google Flow. Camera movement, style, motion intensity, and here you can see transition smooth. So all I have to do now is just click here and now Google Flow will make the video with the smooth transition between this image and this image here. Okay, Google Flow finished making our video, so let's just see how this looks with the new transition. And here you can see there is a smooth transition between these two images. So this is how you do Google Flow Smooth Transition.